Here's the back, some siding already. The contrast looks really good. Around the side, that'll all have the siding. They already finished up the roof the other day and it looks really nice. The shingle color they chose is pewter gray and they went with the colonial white siding. I'll actually give you a close-up because the color is really pretty. It's going to be kind of hard to see on camera, but you can kind of get the idea. Very pretty. Also a little dirty. Here's a couple photos of the roof. The roof had actually caved in and it needed rebuilt. We didn't do that. There was another company that did that, but once that was done, we did the new shingles and the siding. So this was a pretty big project overall for the homeowner, but the finished house was totally worth all of the work and wait, and they are super happy.